Are you looking for the best 3 plasma cutting machine that delivers power, precision, and portability without breaking the bank? Whether you're a DIY metalworker, garage hobbyist, or a professional fabricator in the USA, today's video is for you. I'll be reviewing 3 of the top-rated plasma cutters that Americans are loving right now. These machines are easy to use, lightweight, and cut through steel, aluminum, and more with impressive speed. Stick with me till the end, because I'll not only cover the pros and cons, but also real customer reviews, so you'll know exactly which machine fits your workshop needs. Let's dive straight into the top 3 picks for 2025. Product 1. Lotus LT3500 Plasma Cutter. The Lotus LT3500 is a compact yet powerful plasma cutter, running on 110V and delivering 35 amps of output. It can clean cut up to 2/5 inch steel, making it perfect for light-duty projects and home workshops. Pros: very lightweight, only 18 pounds. Energy efficient, budget-friendly, easy to set up. Cons: limited to smaller projects, not ideal for industrial heavy-duty cutting. Customer review highlight: with over 1,000 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, US buyers love its portability and quick, clean cuts. One user mentioned it's the best plasma cutter for small shops and hobby work. Product 2. Lotus LTP6300 DCNC Non-Touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. The Lotus LTP6300 DCNC is built for serious cutting power. With a 220V input and 63 amps of output, it can clean cut up to 1 inch and sever up to 1.2 inches. The non-touch pilot arc feature ensures smooth cutting through painted, rusty, or rough surfaces. Pros: high power for thick metal, non-touch pilot arc, CNC compatible for automation, durable design. Cons: heavier than small cutters, requires 220V only, higher price range. Customer review highlight: rated 4.6 stars, users in the US praise its power and CNC compatibility. A customer noted, "This cutter went through 1-inch steel like butter, worth every penny." Product 3. HeroCut Cut 35i Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut Cut 35i is a lightweight inverter plasma cutter designed for portability. With dual voltage, 110V/220V, it provides up to 35 amps, cutting up to 12 millimeters steel cleanly. Perfect for DIYers and small shops. Pros: dual voltage flexibility, compact design, digital display, very beginner-friendly. Cons: not as strong as higher amp machines, air compressor sold separately. Customer review highlight: holding a 4.5-star rating. Users love its easy start and lightweight build. One US buyer said, "Great little machine for the price. Perfect for my garage projects." Best 3 plasma cutting machines 2025. Links in description. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe, stay sharp, and happy cutting.